Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a flip through of, oops, I forgot to cut these ties. A flip through of the December Daily using the kit from Joey's Card Maker. I decided to leave the cover like this. And of course, as you know, with the December Daily, you'll be doing decorating and journaling on each page. So as I go through the month, I'll be working in this. I didn't decide on a pocket for here. I just couldn't find what I wanted to put here. But we put some green rickrack down here, and this shows that it's a December Daily. We have page 1. Here at page 2, we have a little tuck spot here. And then we have our pocket. And I can always grab, get coffee dyed paper and tear around it and put it in here in order to write on there. Or I can just do decoration. Or there are so many pieces left over. Grab one of the journaling cards, write on it, and then just paper clip it to the side. And here's page 4. Page 5, got lots of journaling in here. Got a little ruffle there. Plenty of writing on day 7. And I decided not to do any dangles on this journal. And I might be making another December Daily. Here's a little envelope. I stuck some tickets in there. We got all our pockets are stitched on. Here's our second signature. So we have plenty of tags and journaling cards in here. The images are just adorable. I love this kit. So if you're interested in me making a December Daily for you, let me know and I'll be happy to make one using this kit. Got red rickrack. I was happy that I was able to use some of my Christmas stuff. We got a pocket here. I just love these images, let me tell you. And this kit is so pretty. You can do a little bit of writing there. It was intended that the smaller pockets go on top of these bigger corner pockets, but I wanted to spread them out so that I would have plenty of pockets throughout the journal. And here's the back of it. And again, I'm not sure. I need something to make a pocket. And then I can put some of these extras in the pocket. So there's my December Daily. I hope you enjoyed that. Please leave a like and click on that like and leave me a comment on what you think. And if you're doing a December Daily this year. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.